Hello, once again. My name is Rajiv Chopra, and I'm going to take you through a very short introduction to CleanMyMacX. Unfortunately, I cannot run the entire cleanup process because that will take too long, and anybody watching is going to get extremely bored. But here are the tabs which I think it's worthwhile for you to look at. I'm trying to look into the microphone, to this one here. Once you press the scan button, Clean My Mac is going to do an overall scan for you, and it's going to clean up all the junk that's on the computer. So then it will have a look at your apps, it'll have a look at the threads, and it'll then have a look at um, any other small cleanup items that need to be done. What I normally do after that is I go to this particular section, which is again the cleanup. And once you are in this cleanup section, it'll clean up anything which you have in the trash. Any little leftover of junk will get cleaned up. It'll clean up all the binaries that you have in your system, the app binaries. And once you have done this, you move on to the next section, which I think is absolutely critical. This is a section which will examine your Macintosh and go through it to check if there are any threats. So what I normally do is I've set my Macintosh settings or the Clean My Mac settings to Moonlock, which is the highest rated settings, and this is critical to clean up any possible threat that is in your Mac. After that, I move to this section, and in this section, Clean My Mac is going to examine all areas where the performance of your Macintosh can improve, whether it's to do with your RAM, whether it's to do with anything else. Once you do that, have a look at your applications. Any unused applications, any leftover bits of software which might be there once you have uninstalled an app, any apps that you have on your Macintosh which have been unused for a long time, it will highlight those apps, and you can then actually ask yourself if you need those apps. Sometimes you don't. It will also update your apps for you, which is absolutely fantastic. And in the last section, absolutely critical, management of disk space. In this section, it will go through your Macintosh, identify all the large and old files which are clogging up disk space, because disk space is absolutely, um, how would I put it, expensive these days. You can keep, and you can, if you kind of have too much in your Macintosh, you can slow down your Macintosh. So it will have a look at everything. It'll identify all the duplicate files, which you can then delete safely. So let's start from the steps again. Step number 1, a quick overview, a quick scan. Step number 2, a cleanup. And everything which is left over from the previous scan is what you can clean up in the second step. Step 3, you analyze and remove all threats to your Mac. Step number 4, improve the performance of your Mac. Step number 5, have a look at your applications and clean them up. And step number 6, the final step, is look for large files which are just lying there and duplicate files. Run this exercise at least once a week, and your Mac will be safe. What I will do in the next short video is to show you every single step individually. That's it for now, and have fun. Oops.